Welcome to another Tony Too Tough video. Today, we're going to do an unboxing. Now, this is going to JC MountainAjar. Let's start off with the box itself. The box is an old cigar box, right? But it's pretty doggone cool. That's not the important part. Here it is. Are you ready? Oh, what do we have here? We're going to start off with the custom-made tag. The tag is made from a pine tree bark. Pine tree, right here off of my property. And what do we have here? Fat Wood Friday. There you go. For shipping purposes, I had to stuff it in with some paper. This right here. This is 3M reflective stickers. Dude, I use this stuff on everything. I literally, like, my fire extinguishers have it, my fire steels have it, things that I need to make sure that I don't lose. And if it's in the dark, I can hit this with the smallest amount of light from 100 yards away and it will shine. It'll just light up like it's on fire. Anyways, you got quite a few pieces in here to work with. Now, originally, I would have liked to have given you this set, which is not going to fit in this box. So, interestingly enough, I'm going to give you a shorter set. So the shorter set still has all the goodies in it, right? We have a rod. We have a board made of cedar wood. It already has, you can't really see it there, but I've already burned it in. I use this set to burn it in. I know this works. It's a short stick. I get that. It's a short board, but nothing I could do. All right, so I hope you understand. Over here, I have a little small fat wood bearing block, a piece of fat wood for some fire, and some birch bark for some fire. Okay, and here is enough paracord wrapped around here to make a bow drill. If you do not know how to already do it, then this will be a good reason to start and to learn. Okay, sorry you're not getting the big one. I really intended it for you, but sorry, can't fit it in the box. And I wanted you to have the box, and I didn't have another box that fit that. So that's what you're getting. I asked you to choose and pick one. And since you had a hard time picking, I decided to go ahead and making fire since 1933. There it is. Look at that. Oh, yeah, that puppy. It's a nice one. Okay. So, also got the bandana style one. There it is. Okay. Got that. I made these myself. These are my mini infernos. By the way, don't burn the woods down. In my mini infernos, right here, are these pucks. And they're just like the cosmetic cotton rounds soaked in an accelerant and candle wax. So there you go. Made by yours truly, Tony Too Tough. This is from St. Cloud, Florida. This is a bird's nest made from cabbage palm burlap. It's right there. It's harvested fresh from my area, dude. Okay, now, last but not least, we've got the fat wood I promised. Okay, so it is not the fat wood I was going to send you, but that was definitely not, that's what I had failed on with the last stuff, but not this. Oh no, not this. This is some deep amber choice resin stuff. There's a little note in there for you too. That's that. Let's put that inside here. Let's put all this back in here. All this back in here. This goes in here. This goes in here. It's gonna be ready for the next time when you open it up. Boom. Got a little sticker here on the side. It's gonna hold it. This will peel right off, right? When you get it, this is gonna keep it closed until you get it, until it arrives. There it is, buddy. I hope you enjoy.